Hello everybody, right, as you might have seen on my last video, I've just been and bought these clippers. What are they? Barbershop clippers, hair clippers from B&M. $8.99, but no, reduced to, I don't know if you can see it down there, $5.99. That's quite a good bonus, that is. So my other ones broke. They're only cheap ones, aren't they? But for my hair, they'll be bang on. So let's have a little review of them. You get all the combs and everything with it. You get 4 attachment combs, 15 watt clippers, scissors, brush and oil. What else we got? Same size, the same there. Scissors, elite hair clippers, professional cutting blade. Well, I doubt that. Not for £6. On off switch. Well, it needs to have one of them, doesn't it? Long continuous working time. Cool housing. So there ain't much to them, is there really? But for the money, let's open it up and have a look. I haven't got all my tripod and everything out because I'm gonna have my hair cut now and jump in the shower. Because I needed one yesterday, but I thought I'd wait till today because I get some new hair clippers. So there we go. That's everything. There's the booklet. Item number there. Don't mean a lot, does it really? Instruction manual. Put it to your head and away you go. So that's all. That's the parts and that. So let's see what we got then. Combs and brushes. There's a comb. I won't be needing that because of mine will be going all shaved off. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments there. Your little brush, which you always get, don't you? And your little bit of oil, which goes on the blades, and your scissors. So that's them. And then you got your clippers here. Try and get it open. So we had our other ones for years. I mean, I must have had the ones about 10 years. So they've done us well, and those only budget ones and all. So first thoughts, yeah, it feels cheap, doesn't it? But they are cheap, aren't they? But for doing my hair, they're fine. Let's move you back a bit so you can see. Got your cord, obviously, that just plugs in, doesn't it? Got your safety thing on there, get rid of that. There's your clippers, there's your adjuster. And your on off switch. There ain't a lot to them, is there? Alright, let me plug it in. Alright, I've plugged it in, let's turn it on. Yeah, it's quite quiet. It's moving, that's a good sign. Okay. I mean, they're all the same, aren't they? But obviously, they're going to be sharper blades, aren't they, I suppose, on the expensive ones and that. Right, let's cut my hair. Right, I'm in my hallway, so I normally cut my hair. It's probably a bit echoey. Obviously, I'm not going to do it all with the camera because I'm holding my phone. So I'll do some of it anyway. We'll have a look. So how sharp it is. Okay, yeah. It's very quiet. I mean, my old ones, I mean, I had them about 10 years and they ain't got much on the top of they. It was a bit noisy in the end, so I was due a change anyway. And I think they only cost me like a tenner. Let's have a look. Is it cutting? It's cutting fine, isn't it? It's a bit awkward with one hand like this though. Trying to get some good angle so you can see yourselves. Swap you over. Might be a bit dark, I can't see properly. Yeah, it's cutting okay, isn't it? I'm putting no effort in, so they are cutting. Okay, I'm going to crack on with all this then. Right, I've finished. There's a couple of things I noticed about it. It's nowhere near as sharp as my other one, that's for sure, and that was 10 years old. I did oil the blade before I used it, I just forgot to show you, and it does pull. I tried it on both settings, and it does pull. Now, is that because it's new, and you just need the oil to bed in properly? Maybe. Would it be any good if you had long hair and you wanted to shave it? I don't think it would. But for someone like me who's bald, I think for £6 you can't moan. Yeah. But £6 for me, that's fine. But I say if you've got longer hair and you want to shave your sides, I don't think it'd be any good. It's just going to pull your hair. Because I mean, with mine at the back, it was pulling horrendous. And that's just with nothing on my head, really. So, well, there we go. Quick review. There's my lads up there. Boom. My little hard nut kickboxer. And the lad in the army. Yeah, so if you can see, I don't know if you can see that properly. It has done the job. You probably can't see because of the light and the way I got my phone and that. But yeah. There's our Roxy. Say hello, Rox. But for £6, that'll do me. It'll cut my hair. Even if it lasts me 6 months, it'll do. So I just thought I'd show you that, just in case you was interested. Yeah. Well, that's it really. There's nothing really else to say about it. The light there. Yeah, 1:30 now, gonna jump in the shower now. I'm shaving that. Get all the stuff off my hair. So, till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.